Your credit card benefits guide is 47 pages. Nobody reads page 23. Page 23 is where they buried the one that pays for itself. Last October, someone in your life paid out of pocket to replace a cracked phone screen. Their card would have covered it. They paid their phone bill with a debit card, so the protection never activated. The month before that, someone wrote off a $200 item a store wouldn't take back. The card in their wallet would have refunded it. They didn't know the benefit existed. These are not fringe situations. They are the standard outcome when cardholders don't read the guide. Fine Print Exposed is the series where we read the benefits guide, so you don't have to. Episode 4. If you missed the first 3, Episode 1 was the real cost of carrying a balance, the interest math they don't show you. Episode 2 was what the self-credit builder loan actually costs after fees and interest. Episode 3 was the PR fine print, the rates buried in the footnotes of your cardholder agreement. All 3 are linked below. Today is a different kind of episode. Episodes 1 through 3 were about costs hidden in the fine print. Episode 4 is about value hidden there. 7 benefits already active on cards most of you are carrying right now, that most of you have never used. Part 1 of 9. Benefit 1, Cell Phone Protection. The most missed benefit on this entire list, by a significant margin, Visa Signature and MasterCard World Elite cards, including the Chase Inc. Business Cash, the Chase Inc. Business Preferred, the Wells Fargo Active Cash, and a number of others, cover cell phone damage and theft up to $800 to $1,000 per claim, with a $25 to $50 deductible. The activation requirement is 1 sentence. Your monthly phone bill must be paid with the eligible card. No enrollment form, no registration call, no annual opt-in. You pay the bill on the card, the protection activates, period. Most people are on auto-pay for their phone bill. The only question is which payment method that auto-pay is using. The percentage of people with an eligible card who are routing their phone bill through a debit card and leaving that coverage completely inactive is high enough that it is the first thing to fix after this video. 1 claim in 2 years recovers the deductible cost multiple times over. Log into your auto-pay settings today and check. If your card qualifies, change the payment method before you close the app. Part 2 of 9. Benefit 2, Purchase Protection. Most Visa and MasterCard credit cards protect eligible purchases against damage or theft for 90 to 120 days from the date of purchase. Per claim limits run $500 to $1,000 on standard cards, up to $10,000 on premium tiers. Deductible, 0. Here is the homeowner's insurance problem that makes this benefit valuable. Most homeowners and renters insurance policies have a $500 to $1,000 deductible. If your laptop costs $800 and your deductible is $1,000, filing a homeowner's claim costs you more than the item is worth. The card's purchase protection has no deductible. You file with the card instead of with insurance. The process is paperwork heavy, original receipt, proof of damage, or a police report for theft, repair estimate, or replacement cost documentation. If you have the documentation, the benefit pays. Most people write off the loss because they didn't know a claim existed. That outcome is not accidental from the issuer's perspective. Keep receipts on anything over $200 for 120 days. That is the entire ask. Part 3 of 9. Benefit 3, Extended Warranty Protection. A 1-year manufacturer warranty on a $400 appliance may mean your card is silently adding a 2nd year at no cost. Visa Signature and MasterCard World Elite cards commonly extend the original manufacturer warranty by 1 additional year on eligible purchases, typically items with manufacturer warranties of 3 years or less, purchased for under a specified dollar threshold. On a $400 appliance with a 1-year warranty, the manufacturer covers through month 12. If the card's extended warranty applies, the card covers through month 24. A $300 repair call in month 14 is covered. No additional annual cost. No registration required. The non-obvious part. This applies retroactively to purchases already made on the eligible card, not just future ones. Any item bought in the last year, with an active manufacturer warranty, is already under the card's extended protection if it meets the eligibility terms. Pull your card's current benefits guide, not a third-party summary, the issuer's own document, and check the extended warranty section directly. The eligibility criteria matter more than the general concept. Part 4 of 9. Benefit 4, return protection. The store says no. Certain cards say yes. Select premium cards, the American Express Platinum, and other eligible Amex products include return protection. If a retailer refuses your return within a defined window, Amex refunds the purchase price up to $300 per item, $1,000 per calendar year on eligible purchases. The claim requires documentation: original receipt, written evidence that the retailer declined the return, and a completed claim form submitted within the required window. Expect 7 to 14 business days for processing. The refund hits your statement. A verification note before you count on this benefit: return protection has been quietly removed from some card products without prominent cardholder notification. Do not rely on a third-party website or a benefit summary you found in a forum. Pull the current benefits guide from your issuer's website or call the benefits administrator directly. The benefit is real on qualifying cards. Qualifying is the operative word. Before Benefit 5, the free comparison sheet listing all 7 of these with their card-specific limits is at cardsmadesimple.com/match. Link in the description. It exists so you don't have to read 47 pages to find out if your card covers any of this. Part 5 of 9. Benefit 5, price protection. If you bought something and the price drops within 60 to 90 days, some cards will refund the difference. That qualifier, some cards, requires explanation because price protection is the rarest benefit on this list and has been nearly eliminated across the industry. If your card does still carry it, typically capped at $250 per item, $1,000 per year, the claim requires the original receipt, documented proof of the lower price, and a completed form submitted within the 60 to 90-day window. The honest version: do not assume this benefit exists on your card. It probably does not. Check the benefits guide under Purchase Protection or Price Protection specifically, not the General Benefits page. If it is not listed, it is not active. If it is listed and active, set a price drop alert immediately after any purchase over $100. Camel for Amazon purchases, or a manual check at the retailer's site at the 30-day mark. If the price dropped, you have documentation and the window to file. Part 6 of 9. Benefit 6, roadside assistance. Most Visa and MasterCard credit cards include roadside assistance dispatch, towing, lockout, flat tire change, jump start, fuel delivery, at no cost per call. This distinction matters and most people miss it. Some cards provide dispatch only. They connect you to a service provider, but you pay that provider's fee directly. Other cards reimburse you up to a per incident cap, typically $50 to $100 after you pay and submit receipts. A tow can cost $75 to $200 or more depending on distance. Know which version your card offers before the next flat tire. If your card provides meaningful coverage and you are currently paying for an AAA membership at $60 to $130 per year, verify what your card covers, then evaluate whether the membership is redundant. For many cardholders with premium Visa or MasterCard products, the overlap is significant. One specific instruction: the correct number to call is in your benefits guide, not the number on the back of the card. The benefits guide lists a dedicated roadside line. That is the line to call. The back of card number routes to customer service, not benefits dispatch. Part 7 of 9. Benefit 7, travel accident insurance/AD&D. The one on this list that will genuinely surprise most people. Most travel credit cards, Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture X, CD Strata Premier, include accidental death and dismemberment insurance of $100,000 to $500,000 when you purchase the travel ticket on the eligible card. This is not trip delay coverage, not trip cancellation. AD&D is life insurance, a payout to your designated beneficiaries if you die in a covered accident while traveling on a trip ticketed with the card. Common carrier coverage typically extends to commercial flights, trains, and buses purchased on the card. Almost no cardholders know this benefit exists. The card issuers do not market it prominently. 2 things to understand clearly. First, the full ticket must be purchased on the eligible card, not a partial payment, not points redeemed through a third-party platform, but the ticket charged directly to the card. Second, I am not suggesting you use this as a substitute for real-life insurance coverage. I am telling you it exists, and that the only additional cost to access it is choosing the right card at checkout. Request the full policy document from your card's benefits administrator before you travel. Read the exclusions. The benefit is real. The exclusions are also real and card-specific. Part 8 of 9, Verdict. 7 benefits, already paid for, available right now. Cell phone protection. Switch your phone bill auto-pay to the qualifying card before you close this tab. Purchase protection. Keep receipts for 90 to 120 days on anything over $200. The paperwork is the entire activation step. Extended warranty. Know which card you used for the purchase and when the manufacturer warranty expires. The card's extension starts the day the manufacturer's warranty ends. Return protection. Verify this is still active on your specific card before you count on it. Pull the current benefits guide, not a summary from a third-party site. Price protection. Check whether your card still carries it. Most don't. If yours does, set price drop alerts. Roadside assistance. Find the benefits guide number before the next breakdown, not during it. Travel accident insurance. Buy your tickets on the card with AD&D coverage. The cost is the choice. The comparison sheet with all 7 benefits, which card types carry them, and current coverage limits. cardsmadesimple.com/match. Free. If you want the card that carries the strongest combination of these benefits at the $95 annual fee tier, the Chase Sapphire Preferred covers cell phone protection, purchase protection, extended warranty, trip delay, and travel accident insurance. Direct apply link in the description. Part 9 of 9, Cliffhanger ending. That is the value buried in the current benefits guide. Episode 5 is the counterpart. The benefits your card quietly removed. Protections that used to be active, that card issuers eliminated without prominent notification to cardholders who are still paying the same annual fee and assuming the benefit is there. If you have a card you've carried for more than 2 years, there is a meaningful chance one of those removed benefits is something you are still planning to use. Fine print, exposed episode 5 drops next Wednesday. Subscribe and you get it the day it posts. If this video covered something you didn't know was on your card, the like button is right there. It is a specifically satisfying button to press after realizing your card has been quietly covering you for the last 3 years. Asterisk, this content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Credit card terms, rates, benefit structures, and coverage limits change frequently. All benefit claims in this video should be verified directly with your card issuer before relying on them.